good time to test this now, see if it's waterproof, see if I've got a entry point. Hopefully it doesn't fly off, because I fucking super glued the shit out. So I got a bit of news for you guys today. I am on my route. It went off. It's on GPS mode, it should never go off. Oh well, I'm testing the integrity of it anyway. And hook back up together. The camera's going to go by here. The thing goes pop, 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 pop. Skip it, wap, wap. So yeah, last time we went out, CRB Beats had a bit of an issue with his bike, as you've seen in the last episode. So he wasn't really best pleased with what happened. Now, I've got a lot of improvements I'm making to the channel, not just with the Hero 9. I'm going to keep this one, the Hero 7, because it's such good quality. Can't really complain. So you might be wondering why I've put it onto here. It's because I got a washer for this and I couldn't get the mirrors off. I think they used some sort of Loctite on it, which is well, I guess is alright, because it saves stops them from vibrating a lot, because I think with a lot of the shit, now what the fuck was that? That didn't even look like a pigeon. I'm glad I missed that. So yeah, there's I bought this for 13 quid. Now it's okay, it's not the greatest, but the design is a bit more better than the other one. It's just a click locks to close it shut. It is huge, but I'd rather it this size because it fits my phone. My phone's like one of those awkward sizes that support 1440 p. Fuck me, I hate the smell of tar, it's rank. And they're getting rid of that shitty little island. So I've done a little bit of research. With the Hero 9, you don't actually need the media mod, apparently, with the 1.52 I think it is, or 1.51 update. So that actually makes my life a lot easier. So I did try looking for a Hero 9 mount piece that supports the bracket for this for the actual adapter itself, but I couldn't find anything on it. So what I've done is I've bought like 10 pieces of like 15mm. Now we're talking really small, like super duper tiny, to stick on the back side of the adapter, because I'll have all the waterproof things to protect it anyways. So it's not like I'm gonna get it water damaged, to be fair. So yeah, I can't wait to use this camera. Unfortunately, unless I synchronize the cameras up, I'm not going to be able to use it on my chin straight away. Well, I can, but I'm not going to have any audio because I need to I've purchased the side door for the USB-C side. The USB-C sits under the housing of where the battery sits. Fuck, let me redo that. It sits under where the battery is at the minute, so it's not exactly in an ideal place for water. Fuck knows why they wanted you to do that. It's probably just so they could get you to buy the media mod, which is probably what it was, to be fair. Is that the other half? I think that's the other half. No, it's not. don't know if that is her actually. Might be the other half. Why would she come to Newport though? Well, I'm quite happy with the phone case now that I've made a modification to it. I'll show you in just a moment because I'm not too far from my destination. Let's just turn the music down a little bit. So yeah, that's what I've got. It's new. I've got to put the handguards back on again. But that's about it. I think that's about it in terms of mod cons and modifications. I'm not going to add anything else to this. There's no point. Because once I've done my big boy test, that's it then. And as much as I'd like to keep this as a 125, but it's not gonna happen. Can't afford two bikes, let alone a big bike and a small bike. Hopefully I got the fucking code for it now. Right, so I don't need to indicate left anymore to go down here. Or do I? Yeah, you don't need to indicate. Anyway, again, nice little energy drink. And we're gonna have a quick look at the GoPro. Just have a general look around at it. It comes with 3 batteries and the charger itself. Now that's amazing. Like, I had 3 batteries for this camera altogether, but the one died because I had it in my pocket without a cover. So it got water damaged. This is probably the only correct time I've been down here. Nope, I haven't actually. I thought Sainsbury's was down here. What's the bet? It's 1 over again, isn't it?